have a little bit of a problem. I have some crackling noises. There is a crackling noise from the recorder when I try to record something with the PCM 810 recorder. There is this crackling noise from the external microphone. I never use the built-in microphone capsules. I always use the external one. So let me show you what I mean. This is a stereo. Okay, let's make a bit of a clean the mess. Stereo microphone. This is a stereo microphone ready to use with the mobile, and this is a golden connector. I set manual. Okay, and if we try it now, I will try now to synchronize the recording there. So I'm talking now on the right side of the microphone, then on the left side. Nice here. What's important is look at this thing. When I move the connector here, it will do some weird stuff. Or maybe, yeah, did you see that? Or maybe it's just because it moved. I have the headphones. The headphones are not gold plated, and I should clean them a little bit. You can clean these contacts with just a microfiber cloth. Okay, set the volume up. Yeah, this one is not doing it, is it? So it's recording now. I'll listen to them. Okay, I'll mix in the sound from the recorder here. So you will hear this on the right side. On the right side this, and this on the left side. And now I move the connector and nothing is happening. All the noise is because of the movement around. I got it now. One click. Maybe it wasn't that. Okay, this one, the stereo one, seems to work fine. So, okay, let's stop this. It could be that the connectors are the problem on the other one. I think this video is gonna be a bit of a mess, but this is the connector with the problem. I think, because I redid this connector because I thought this is the problem. Manual, the same. And I start recording. Okay, now this is the one I use for the lavalier. When I speak, I keep it on my t-shirt and I talk directly into this one. And you can see that the level is around 12 on the level 15, so that's great actually. But I actually usually have it at level 17 and it sits around on my t-shirt. Now the problem with this one is that It's crackling when I move the connector. Let me show you, and hope it's not too loud. Be ready for some strange loud noises. I also have a lot of connectors with gold-plated contacts. Let's hear it. Oh, that was crazy. That was really loud. Maybe it is the connector. I thought it's the inside of the recorder. No. Now it's doing this thing. It's buzzing. There is this buzzing noise. Maybe because they are joined together into one, I don't know. But it's not right. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2 on the left side and right side, left and right. Yeah, those are the built-in capsules. Microphone in now. So I split. Oh, it's doing it again. This. Now it's buzzing. Yeah, that was really crazy, too much. I don't know exactly why it's doing this. Okay, so now it's a built-in microphone. Okay, so this is what's happening. I have here the audio interface that I use with my phone, and I want to try my phone with the audio interface and the same microphone, because maybe it's the microphone problem. So I'm connecting the headphone to the connecting the headphones, and what is this? This is the faulty microphone. Doesn't seem to have anything bad on it, but who knows? Okay. Already I hear some strange noises in the headphones. Yeah, some strange noises. Yeah, doesn't look right. Oh shit, it's so loud. It was really loud. I think I damaged my ears a little bit. Okay, so it could be this connector is bad, that's all. Could it be just a bad contact? Okay, let's before going further, I just want to clean the contact here. isopropyl alcohol, 99% isopropyl alcohol. I just want to make sure I clean it well. Okay. Okay, it's too complicated with the phone. I will try the recorder again. Okay, now is the recorder again. Okay, so now I'm talking to this microphone again, and hopefully when I move the connector it's not going to make those crackling noises again, but I have a feeling it will. Let's see it. Oh yeah. Okay, so if I don't move the connector, but I only move the cable, I think I moved the connector a little bit. I don't know. I think it seems better now. It's not doing it so much now. Before it was doing it much more often. Okay, so just to be sure that it's actually okay. Okay, I will put this on. I'll put this on my chest now. Test. Don't know why it's on. And this one also. This also is a bit dirty. But the headphones is not crackling when I do that. So I move it around. Yeah, it's not doing it, so just did it now. Yeah, just did it now. Just now. It's around this area it's doing it. So when I move it up here, okay, to clean it now, I'll take the same isopropyl alcohol first. First I will power off the recorder. The 99% isopropyl alcohol goes here. Wipe it. It could be that there is the wear on this, because I plug it in and unplug it many times. This gets plugged and unplugged many times, so maybe the gold plating on it is wearing out in some areas, so that's why it could be the reason why it's doing this. But to clean inside here, you could use some of these things to remove this cotton from the cotton swabs, ear swabs. Make sure there is no residue, and you could insert it and then pull it out. check for any debris inside, but actually to clean the contacts is better to just use, this is mostly to remove some dirt if the plug is not going all the way in, and you could put a bit of the alcohol on it, but I will put alcohol directly on the jack and then plug it in. This is isopropyl alcohol, so it doesn't leave residue. I will move it. There is some resistance. There could be some dirt in there. Could be some dirt there. Feel a bit of resistance. Alcohol is already evaporating, so I'll put a bit more. Be careful, you do this at your own risk. If you damage your recorder or audio device or your phone, please don't come to me telling me because I told you to do this. You do it at your own risk. The isopropyl alcohol could remove some of these markings, so I'm really trying to be careful not to wipe those while the alcohol is not dry yet. Maybe it made a stain here. Not sure. Maybe it did. Yeah, looks like I stained the screen of the recorder a little bit. I think if I wipe it enough times, it will go away. The 99% isopropyl alcohol is very strong, so use at your own risk. The key is to do this, spray it far away from the recorder and spin it. Interesting, it changed the shape on the screen. It's so strong. Okay, I think it's time to I could do the same with the headphone jack. First strain the headphone and also clean the headphone jack port. Okay, this feels dry, so we could use it. Start the recorder, plug in the microphone, and okay, it's recording. Let's hear now if it's doing the first the headphones. I will hear it. You won't be able to hear it. It's not doing anything anymore. Before it was interrupting the signal a little bit, but have good hope for this. So I spin it and you're listening to the recording as I'm doing it. I don't hear anything. So the isopropyl alcohol really is magical. There's still a bit of stuff here. Maybe it's just residue from the alcohol or from the spray. Yeah, the noise is gone completely. Now you listen to this ruffling noise. The close is because of the t-shirt, but this moving now doesn't make any noises. So it was really a combination of dirt, oxidation maybe on the jack and also inside the recorder. So this is how you fix your devices. Now I don't know about this one. Maybe I will have to clean this one also, but I can do that for later. I think it was really just a jack. Just this jack, 3.5mm TRRS jack. It had oxidation on it, and that's why it was making the noises. Now I can spin it. I'm talking into it now as you hear me, and it's okay. So that really helped. This is too thick to insert into the microphone plug, the jack. But the easiest thing is just put isopropyl alcohol 99% on the jack and plug it in a few times, clean it a few times in between, and you got it right. If there is debris on the bottom of the connector there, you can use a toothpick just to remove some stuff from the bottom, but be careful with the toothpick that you don't cause any damage to the contacts inside there. And especially don't use anything metal, no paper clip or anything like that. So it's working. I think the reason why this happened now, okay, the reason why this happened is because I have it like this. There is even the protection for those capsules, like that. But when this microphone jack is unplugged, the hole is open there. You will see it in a moment now. So this side is open and this side, and if there is a bit of dust here, I have to be careful not to leave it in the dust. Maybe one trick would be not to use that foam filter, which doesn't really do much if it's windy, but to store this, to put this inside out, upside down. I will show you now. Okay, so I unplugged it. Okay, so now it's unplugged, and if I store it, the microphone jack is open. Dust could go in there, but I could really just turn it upside down. Now only the headphone jack is open, but that doesn't really matter much. And I don't really need this, I just need it for, keep it like this. Maybe it doesn't matter, because I keep it in the bag. There is no dust in that bag. So it could be really just oxidation on the port, on the headphones. It's nice to be able to have it like this on the desk and be able to plug in the microphone and use it as a lavalier microphone. Yeah, it's really nice to be able to use it as a lavalier microphone, like this, plugged in with the hold on, so it can be changed. Something like the Zoom F2. It becomes something like the Zoom F2, but a little bit better because it can be also stereo. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you. You can do the same. You can do the same trick on headphone ports on your phone. If your phone has a headphone jack, you can put isopropyl alcohol on the headphone jack and plug it in and out a few times to clean the port and spin it also. That's it. Thanks for watching.